Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we're going to be doing a video about Nio. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investing journey together. So today we're going to be doing a video about Nio. Currently up 17.23% today. Why is Nio going up? Should you buy Nio stock at $18.75? And the overall future of this company. I just want everybody to know that everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It is just my personal opinion and for educational purposes only. So with that being said, let's get started with the video. So today, Nio up 17.20%, which is pretty good overall to the relative market today. That's just, not really doing well at all. We have the S&P 500 hitting all-time lows, and we do have the FOMC meeting tomorrow. No one really knows what the direction of Jerome is going to be. No one knows if he's going to do a full 100 BPS or if he's going to do 50. He might do 75, but overall, the market has not been doing well. But if we take a look at the one-week chart, we're still down about 7.80%, which is not good. We were trading around the $20 range here, but we definitely did see yesterday, guys, that yesterday we had a big drop all the way from $18.26 all the way down to $15.87. So it's just kind of crazy to see Nio make that all back plus more in a single day. And a lot of people are kind of attributing to why. Why is Nio stock trading so high today? What's going on? Well, that's because Nio actually does have a special event tomorrow, basically unveiling, or what they're going to be unveiling on their overall kind of like their SUV, the new SUV that's going to launch. So they have a product launch tomorrow, which is, it's pretty good because we definitely do know that they have a product launch, which is why they're up today. But for the fact that it's actually lined up with the FOMC meeting as well, we're definitely going to see how Nio does tomorrow. I do expect a pretty good push if Jerome Powell is not super hawkish on his approach to kind of fighting the record inflation. Take a look at Nio. Like I said, they're dropping their new SUV tomorrow. They're going to unveil their new SUV. So that's probably why. So U.S. Eastern Time, June 15th, it's at 8 o'clock. So I'm pretty excited to see what they're going to be unveiling, kind of their overall, ES8 SUV. So this is something that has basically been pretty good news for Nio, because we do know that Nio was supposed to drop this SUV back in April, but due to the overall shutdowns, they did have to continuously push it back. So seeing that now that they're going to be finally unveiling their SUV, this is definitely good news for Nio stock, and I definitely do see a lot more upside potential with Nio in the coming months. We do know, based on everything, that Nio is most likely going to hit record deliveries coming up here in the month of June. So this is probably going to be their highest delivery point, and they now have a new SUV that they're going to start delivering, which is very good news, and it's definitely going to help increase production numbers. We know Shanghai came off of lockdown, so really there's no excuse onto why Nio isn't going to be putting up record deliveries at this point. I really think the ulterior motive here is definitely seeing Nio do very well compared to the rest of the market today. I know a lot of EVs did have a small push, but being able to climb up 16.73% in a single day is really good news. But like I said, we do have a big event tomorrow. We have two big events tomorrow, especially for Nio. We have, like I said, they have their showcase event where they're going to be unveiling their new SUV, and we also have the legendary FOMC meeting and seeing what Jerome is actually going to say as far as how he's going to raise rates. So this is definitely going to play into the short-term volatility of Nio. I just want everybody to know this. I was reading a lot of people saying, okay, I'm going to sell the stock, it's going back to $11, it's going back to $10, or whatever the case. Here's the thing, guys. Always just dollar cost average into the stock. No one can really time the bottom. No one knows when the bottom is. Nio may never see the $11 range ever again. I'm not saying it's a possibility. I'm not saying it isn't a possibility for Nio to retract to those $11 levels and lower. There's a lot of talks right now in the community that Nio is going to $8. Do I personally think Nio is going to $8? No, I don't. But it still is a possibility, and you definitely could not rule anything out in a market like this where the market conditions generally are not good. Yesterday, we actually were announced that we were in a bear market. S&P 500 now down about 20%. So things are getting a very shaky with the market, with inflation just absolutely skyrocketing. We saw the S&P 500 crash over 4,000 points in basically just 5 days alone. So it's definitely getting very volatile out there, but I want people to understand, continue to dollar cost average if you truly believe in the company. This is a fire sale where you're not going to get deals like this for a very long time. I know people are scared. I know people are running out of money. I know a lot of people are saying, hey, I'm not sure if my stocks are going to recover. I'm scared. I'm too afraid to buy. I'm not sure what the direction of the market is. But for me, yes, I am down quite a bit of money on Nio, but I continue to dollar cost average into the stock because I know that these investments are going to pay off for me down the line and in the long term. Nio is a long-term investment. It's doing everything right, even in the midst of a recession. It's continuing to expand. We're getting their new SUV. Nio Park is underway. We still get the ET5 sedan at the end of the year. You know, we do know that Nio is still planning to expand to more countries this year as well. So Nio is doing everything right. Yes, the stock price is not reflecting it, but if we take a look at it from the broader market, guys, the market in general right now is not doing good, and no good news is going to be able to save the market. So as quarter two commences, we're going into quarter two for Nio. I don't expect quarter two for Nio to be very, very good, but I do expect quarter three and quarter four for Nio stock to do very, very well. And I do expect a lot more upside potential in the stock kind of heading into the later months of this year. We also had a couple of analysts come out, even one of them reiterating their $87 price target on Nio stock. So this just goes to show that there is still a lot of people who are bullish on Nio and continue buying the dip. Like I said, it's not financial advice, but I recommend anybody out there, if you guys have extra money laying around, slowly dollar cost average, whether it's $100, $200, $500, $1,000, it will pay off for you guys in the long term. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. You guys let me know down in the comments as well, guys, what you think of Nio. Do you guys think Nio stock can hit $50 by the end of this year? If you guys own Nio stock, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.